Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Side Hustle Stack. First, visit the Side Hustle Stack website to begin exploring. You'll find a comprehensive database of various side hustle opportunities, categorized for easy browsing. Understand the different sections like gig economy or creative work to quickly locate relevant options. This platform helps you connect with diverse income streams efficiently. Once on the platform, use the powerful filtering tools to refine your search. You can filter by skill set, desired income, or even the amount of time you have available each week. For example, if you're a writer, select Writing to see relevant gigs. This ensures you find opportunities that truly align with your capabilities and schedule, saving you valuable time. After finding potential side hustles, click on each listing to view detailed information. Pay close attention to the description, required qualifications, and payment terms. Some gigs might offer a flat fee, while others pay hourly, like $25 per hour. Make sure your skills match the requirements before applying. Always follow the application process outlined to increase your chances of success. To truly maximize your earnings, consistently track your applications and follow up when appropriate. Building a strong portfolio with examples of your work can significantly boost your appeal to potential clients. Consider diversifying your side hustles to create multiple income streams, perhaps aiming for an extra $500 per month. Remember, consistency and quality are key to long-term success. Also, check the description for a link to grab little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.